In this video, we'll show you how to fix a keyboard that types automatically or presses keys on its own, whether you're using a laptop or desktop PC. If this guide helps you, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. We've got a few methods to try, so let's jump right in. Start by right-clicking on the Windows Start menu at the bottom of your screen and selecting Device Manager. Once you're in Device Manager, find Keyboards in the list. Click the arrow next to it to expand the section. You might see two entries here, which is normal. Right-click on each one and select Update Driver. Choose the option to search for updates automatically. This can help fix the issue if outdated drivers are the cause. If there are multiple entries, repeat this step for each. After checking for updates, restart your computer and see if the problem is fixed. If updating the driver doesn't help, right-click on the keyboard again and select Uninstall Device. Confirm the uninstallation, then restart your computer. When your computer restarts, it should automatically reinstall the keyboard drivers. Check to see if the issue is resolved. If the problem continues, physically inspect your keyboard. If it's happening with just one specific key, it could be stuck or dirty. Try cleaning around that key to remove any debris that might be causing it to register multiple presses. If none of these steps work, you might need to reach out to the manufacturer for support. In the meantime, you can also try connecting a different keyboard to see if the problem persists.